uh, look like some rain done. Right. Our thing to do right now. The Wi-Fi gone. I mean, there's still power here, Mike. But I'm not gonna lie to you. The Wi-Fi bad. Even if you got the Wi-Fi, it still sucks. Anyway, everything outside, look out the rain. Looking pretty normal down here. But guess what? It's just on the front. Oh my fucking god. Holy shit. Oh, look at this, dog. Everything. Oh. Yo. Oh. Oh shit. Ah. Oh god. The fuel system ain't working yet. The rain is so big that there's not enough time to get rid of the water. Now everything comes drain here. Look God, this is not the end of it, bro. That's small. Ah, yes, the garden. Ready? The plane. Yo, look, the water risen up, man. The welcome to oh. Everything just okay, no down here, nothing too much. My dog is having a bad time right there. I mean, he at least had a home to shelter this. Bruh. Anyway, I'll show you how bad it is up here. This is why my father planted a lot of his thing up here. It's not, doesn't look that bad after all. Oh shit, look, a cat. Anyway. Damn. You don't want to step on that. I can feel it. Anyway, that's gonna be like you just see how fucking bad water is. The rain sucks. Not heading down. Oh my god, it's bad. Huh. The fuel system sucks. Yeah. Oh, Mike. 4-minute video show you how bad this whole place is getting after a rain. A big rain. God. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh. Look at this. Oh, this. Yeah. Very bad. Yes. Alright. About to sit down on this bench. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh no. Thank God I did not plug it in. Okay. Accomplished.